How to type in landscape mode in Word. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can type in landscape mode in Word. So without any delay, let's just jump right into a video and find out how to do that. So if you want to make the orientation of your Word document into a landscape mode, after you have opened up your Word document, you can go to the layout section in the top and go to the orientation. And you'll be finding two options. You can select the option called landscape from right here. When you go ahead and click on it, your Word document will be changed into a landscape mode like this. So other than that, after changing your landscape mode, the orientation, if you want to make any text also in a landscape mode. So for that, you can go to the insert tab and then go to this section right here, which is text box. And after that, select this draw text box. After selecting, you can draw a text box on your Word document. And under this text box, you can write in any preferred text that you want in a landscape mode. So you can just go ahead and type in a text. After typing in the text, let me just make it big for now. After making it big, after that is done, after you have placed the text and written the text that you want to convert, the next step you need to do is you need to just adjust it and make it, you can just make it like this. After that, stretch it out in the bottom, and when you do that, it will be placed into this section. So you can find this word in this form. So I can just follow this method in order to type in landscape mode in Word as well, which is a super simple method. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.